Before buying a home security system without a subscription, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Most no-monthly fee systems still push hard for add-ons or limit core features unless you pay extra. But the real buyers are definitely talking about what actually works and what doesn't. Let's fix that. Product number 1, SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless system. This SimpliSafe 8-piece system caught my eye because it's one of the few well-known brands that lets you go completely subscription-free while still offering solid protection. Priced around $255, it includes a base station, entry sensors, motion detectors, and a keypad, all battery-powered and wireless. If you want reliable, no-nonsense security without being locked into a contract, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The system is truly DIY, no drilling, no wiring. Just stick the sensors on doors and windows, place the motion detector in a corner, and you're protected. The 720p camera resolution isn't 4K, but it's enough to capture clear footage indoors. Plus, the base station has a 24-hour battery backup and cellular failover if you ever opt into monitoring, so it stays online during outages. With over 400 units sold recently, it's clearly trusted by real users who want simplicity and control. Now, some people complained about the lack of local video storage. Everything goes through the app, and without a monitoring plan, you lose cloud recording. Here's the thing though. If you're okay with basic alerts and don't need video proof saved automatically, this isn't a deal breaker. It's built for peace of mind, not forensic detail. This is perfect for you if you live in the US, want a reputable brand, and prefer professional-grade hardware without the monthly bill. Skip this one if you need high-res outdoor cameras or plan to expand heavily into video surveillance. For the price, it's a solid foundation. Product number 2, Arlo SS1501 Security System. Now, if SimpliSafe's limited video features bothered you, the Arlo SS1501 takes a different approach with smarter integration and more sensor versatility. At $280, it includes a wired keypad hub, 5 8-in-1 sensors, and a yard sign, all designed to work together seamlessly. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 8-in-1 sensor can detect motion, open close events, temperature, light, humidity, and even listen for smoke or co-alarms, making it one of the most versatile sensors on this list. The 1080p resolution on compatible devices means clearer alerts, and the SecureLink tech extends range and battery life. It also supports Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can arm your system with voice commands. Over 100 units sold recently show growing trust in Arlo's ecosystem. Now, some people complain that the professional monitoring and cloud storage require a paid Arlo Secure plan after the trial. Here's the thing though, you can still use the core alarm functions, sirens, app alerts, sensor triggers without paying a dime. The subscription is optional, not forced. This is perfect for you if you want multi-function sensors and don't mind a slightly higher price for smarter detection. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need basic door window protection. It's a great middle ground between basic and advanced. Product number 3, SimpliSafe 9-piece with outdoor camera. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want outdoor visibility. The SimpliSafe 9-piece Gen 3 system adds an outdoor camera and video doorbell for $356, making it ideal if you want to see who's approaching your home, not just know they're there. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The outdoor camera has 1080p HD color night vision and a 140-degree field of view, so you can actually identify someone at night, not just see a shadow. The video doorbell gives you two-way audio and fast motion alerts, so you can talk to delivery people or scare off porch thieves. Even without a subscription, you get live viewing and motion alerts. With optional monitoring, it even enables video verification for faster police response, a rare perk. Now, some people complained about the outdoor camera's battery life requiring frequent recharging unless hardwired. Here's the thing though, if you use the included power cable, it runs continuously with no battery worries. It's only an issue if you insist on wireless-only installation. This is perfect for you if you want full perimeter coverage and don't mind spending a bit more for cameras that actually help prevent crime. Skip this one if you're renting and can't drill or run wires. It's premium protection without the premium monthly fee. Product number 4, Talvaviov 15-piece Wi-Fi system. Now, if you're looking for maximum coverage on a budget, the Talvaviov 15-piece kit at $146 is hard to ignore. It includes a base station, keypad motion sensor, 10 door sensors, and 2 remotes, all Wi-Fi connected and Alexa compatible. If you want a lot of sensors for the price and don't need cameras, this is a steal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can protect every door and window in a typical house with room to spare. The 120 dB siren is loud enough to wake the neighborhood, and the app sends instant alerts. It supports up to 20 sensors and 5 remotes, so you can expand later. The AC power with battery backup keeps it running during outages. No monthly fees, no contracts, just straightforward protection. Now, some people complained about the 4 GHz only Wi-Fi limitation, which can cause lag in crowded networks. Here's the thing though, if your router supports 4 GHz, most do, and you're not streaming 4K on every device, it works fine. It's not ideal for high-tech homes, but for basic security, it's reliable. This is perfect for you if you rent, have a large home, or want to protect kids' rooms and cabinets. Skip this one if you need outdoor coverage or fast response times. It's value done right. Product number 5, Talvaviov 8-piece Wi-Fi alarm. Finally, if you're on a tight budget or live in an apartment, the Talvaviov 8-piece system at just $70 is the most affordable entry point. It includes a siren, 5-door window sensors, and 2 remotes, enough to cover a studio or 1 bedroom. If you want basic protection without spending over $100, this is your best bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's plug and play with no tools needed. The adhesive sensors stick to any surface, and the app gives you real-time alerts. It works with Alexa for voice control, and the 8-hour battery backup keeps it running during short outages. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just simple, effective alerts. Now, some people complained about the lack of motion detection in this kit, only door sensors. Here's the thing though, you can buy and add motion sensors later if needed. For under $70, it's a fantastic starting point. This is perfect for you if you're renting, on a budget, or just want to deter break-ins at entry points. Skip this one if you need indoor motion tracking or outdoor coverage. It's cheap, effective, and truly no frills. So which one should you pick? Simply Safe offers the best balance of reliability and features. Arlo gives you smarter sensors, the upgraded Simply Safe adds outdoor cameras, and Talvaviov delivers unbeatable value twice. If you want premium, go Simply Safe Gen 3. If you're on a budget, the $70 Talvaviov kit does the job. All 5 let you skip monthly fees so you stay in control.